Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Fam Creator. So today we are going to prepare a new canvas. So for doing this, you have to prepare it with gesso, and then I have made a sketch here. I will have to make here a calligraphy painting. So I'll write the name Allah here and paint Khana Kaaba inshallah. So first I have made the sketch of the painting, and then I have started the painting over there. I'm using the black acrylic paint, but remember that before doing any type of painting you have to prepare the canvas. It's very important for preparing the canvas, otherwise your painting would not look any like finished. It won't give a finished look. So look here, how finishing look the finishing of this, and how clean and clear the lines are. So now we have done the black painting. Now I am mixing the dark blue and white color. Acrylic paints are there, and I'll do the white part over there, and this is how it looks. Now I'm going to use the golden paint over there, and I'm going to paint it from here, and I'm making the boundary. I'm just making the simple lines. It's a very simple and basic calligraphy, and you can make that at home. It looks very fine and very amazing. So just make the lines. I'm using the flat brush, and it's of I think 2 to 3 size, and you can use this brush and make the simple one big line and one small alternate. And in the corners of the painting I have made some flowers to make it like floral type, and it looks very elegant though. So this is how I'm making the flower, making the lines. It's very simple. You can see the size of the brush also. Now these are the flowers which I have made on the corners. These are very simple flowers, and then this is ready for the calligraphy. Now I'm making the sketch of Khana Kaaba with lead pencil over there so that it would be more easy for painting that, and I'll be using black and golden paint for there. And this is how I'm painting that with the brush, and I'm using the same acrylic paint over there. And you have to paint this very carefully with love, with affection, and with great attention also. Okay, now it's ready. Okay, I have done the black and golden paint. Now I'm writing Allah here with lead pencil, and then I'll paint it with black. First I thought that I'll write it with golden, but then I decided to write it with black, that it was looking more beautiful with black. So here I am, and I'm painting that. देखते जाइए and enjoy. Okay, you have to be very careful. Don't hurry, don't panic. Just keep calm and start painting, because painting is a thing which you do in your layer, and you do it with fun and love also. Without any interest you can't do painting. If you are saying that I'm getting bored, and because it takes time, so you have to give it time, and it will give you affection and peace also. Peace is the main thing which you can get from the painting and calligraphy, Arabic calligraphy. Okay, so I'm painting this. So as you can see that I have painted this Allah, and I am painting the tashdeed over there with the golden color. Now this is ready, alhamdulillah. Then I decided to make it in the square shape, and then I finished it like this. Then at last you can do only that also, but for varnish and for like glowy look and starry look, you have to do the varnish over there. So I'm using the gloss varnish. It's a Bluebird company, and I'm applying this all over the canvas. There should be a thick layer of varnish there, and it'll look more finished and more shiny type. And you have to leave it for dry, and your painting is ready. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe my channel.